I was going down YouTube. We're playing around with the Phantom. You know what I'm saying? It's going down. We're having a little fun with the J Money's prototype, and we're gonna see if we can put it on that bullseye real quick here. So we're gonna get it. Yeah, that's what's up. All right, give us a like or subscribe. You know what I'm saying? If you want to see more of that right there, that was pretty badass if you ask me. Anyways, J Money out. Stay tuned. Light.